up, guys? Okay, so just got to Tamarindo Beach here in Costa Rica, and yeah, been on this trip for about a week now in Central America, and yeah, definitely been a little difficult to travel. You know, like while I'm going on all these skate trips and everything, I have to like pop in and get a yellow fever vaccine and, you know, get tested. Each country has different like laws and things to get into, so you know, a lot of logistics and things I have to like pay attention to while I'm traveling. But other than that, yeah, it's been incredible so far. The people, the parks, everything's been amazing. So yeah, just showed up to the local skate park here in Tamarindo. Let's get a quick session in.
Funny that you guys recognize him. That's cool. So we all watch him. I'm 34. How old are you guys?
I'm 11.
11?
I'm 9.
9. And how old are you?
10.
10? You guys are all good.
Can I tell YouTube to subscribe?
Can you what?
Tell YouTube to subscribe.
What do you want to tell them?
Anyone who is watching right now, if they aren't already subscribed, they better.
Okay. Wow,
Appreciate that. Thank you.
Wow. I thought he was gonna plug himself in there, but he gave you the shout out. That was perfect.
Oh, Damien.
Damien.
Damien Riley.
Chad. What's your name? Here. Chad. Neil. Neil. Chad. Hey.
Coconut, you make it strong.
Coconut.
Coconut, you make it strong.
How strong are we talking?
Coconut juice, $2. Coconut juice, make it strong para surfing. Peoples. Hello, peoples. Una. Hey, peoples.
How's it taste? Better than the last
Like
one?
superhero.
Now you're strong forever.
Okay.
Viva.
Now I'm ready to get a back 50 on that thing.
Okay. You want to do... Okay, let's do this.
Yeah.
If you land it, I owe you 50. If you miss it, I owe you nothing.
Deal.
Okay.
Deal.
I just got hustled.
All thanks to the cocoa.
Yeah.
The pipa. Okay, so just pulled up to what looks like the worst skate park I've ever seen in my life. Out here in Costa Rica, just cruising around hitting parks, and we just passed by this place. You can't even believe it. It's a skate park. Hold on. Let me give you guys the grand tour. First, we have this beautiful quarter pipe here. Yeah, we got huge lip right here. You could barely even roll up the thing.
There, man.
Alright guys, this quarter has no lip at all, and it's got railings like right on the edges. It's only like 3 feet wide or something, so a little tight up there. But let's see how the tranny is. Let's try to get some tricks on it. Doesn't look like any skaters have been here for a while. It's just like sticks and things everywhere. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah, you got that? Wow.
Yeah. Woo.
You alright?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ripping.
One more? That was sick though.
Fastest skate park in the world.
Wow, that was sick. Oh yeah.
Thank you, brother.
Oh.
All right, next up on our tour, we have one of the finest kicker to four stairs I've ever seen in my life. Yeah. Okay, now gonna skate the final obstacle, which I don't even think was built, I guess, is something to skate. It's these like mellow banks on the outside of the skate park. Might be the best thing in here. Alright, well that was a fun session, but after getting stuck on like 50 sticks in a row, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. I'll see you guys in the next video.